don't understand Tagalog. What I mean is, this morning. No. I didn't. I mean, this morning I go to school because I thought it's Monday. And then ended up, I asked the guard. And then sabi ko, ba't walang masyadong tao? Sunday pala. You know, I just waiting there. Because I thought we have classes. Kasi nga, I thought it's Monday. Tawag dun masipag. Tinatamad talaga ako. You're good though. Just that towel is a piece of art. Yeah, I tried it on because I don't have bath clothes. So I'm just using this towel since it's so big and long at the same time. Like, look at this. Diba? Haba, ang haba. Haba, oh. Hi, Hustler. Yeah, it looked like a dress. Pangit ng song. Wait, let's change the song. Good morning, Mr. Driver. My airport. It's the whole world. I know it's not airport, it's world map. We gonna party like it's 30-12 tonight. I'm not gonna put some makeup on my I know. Yeah, I'm not gonna put some makeup. I know, magpo-photoshoot pala. if hindi ako magme-makeup, baka mag-haggard ako dun. Wait, where is my... Lang, magpalit na nga ako. Suotin ko na lang yung pantulog ko. Para naman, ang sakit sa leeg eh.